When retrofitting daytime driving lights, you work on electrical wiring. So disconnect the battery in the passenger footwell. Remove the aerial and open the driver's door. Remove the trim on the side mirror. There are 2 screws underneath. Unscrew these. Now remove a spreader clip. You can then remove the longitudinal member trim. Remove the additional indicator light as well. Then the screw at the very bottom. Repeat everything on the other side and then remove the top part of the CBS front. Unscrew a total of 5 screws here. And then remove the CBS front completely. Remove the left headlight. The angled Brabus LED daytime driving light retrofit kit is available from Mercedes-Benz Accessories and looks like this. It contains the daytime driving lights, the control units, and the electrical wiring. Now for the installation. First, attach the wiring harness. This is laid along the existing wiring harness and then attached with cable ties. Guide the coupling at the end of the wiring harness through the opening and into the front module. This is a schematic diagram of the position of the wiring harness. Now connect the earth wire to the specified point on the longitudinal member. In order to lay the wiring in the interior, cut off the protective sleeve and guide the cable through. The basic wiring harness repair set is needed to connect the cable. Now disconnect the N11-5 connector on SAM and disconnect the brown-grey wire on terminal 8. Replace this with the brown-grey wire from the adapter set provided. Now reconnect the N11-5 coupling. The brown-grey wire belonging to the vehicle's wiring harness is connected to terminal 1. Connect the grey-blue wire of the vehicle's wiring harness to terminal 1. Connect it with the adapter from the wiring harness provided. Now connect the red-blue wire from the vehicle's wiring harness to the fuse holder. and then connect it to one of the terminals on SAM. You can use any of the terminals from R1 to R4. One fuse is still missing. Once all of the wires have been attached, return the SAM to its place. On the front of the vehicle, connect the wiring harness couplings with the daytime driving light control unit. Then mount the control units on both sides of the front module. Once that is complete, reattach the CBS front and the headlights in the reverse order. Then come the daytime driving lights. After connecting them to the corresponding control unit, simply place them in the right openings. Do not forget to adjust the light. On vehicles with the code K06 daytime driving lights main headlight, switch off the daytime driving lights as described in the instruction manual. For Canadian vehicles, you have to perform an SCN encoding and remove the code K06. The installation is now complete, and the results are impressive.